in Ensenada, Carrizal. If I'm saying it wrong, I apologize. But it's one of the most private anchorages on this stretch of the Pacific in Mexico. It also is lined with these steep-sided hillsides. There's a hiking that we're going to do first thing in the morning, so that'll be interesting. It also has some of the best reefs, so we get to go snorkeling or diving and see what colorful fish are hiding out over there. But today we did a dinghy ride, and we took the dinghy from our current location south all the way to Manzanillo. And not only do you have this private anchorage where we are, but just a little bit down the coast, you have huge resorts and hotels and long stretches of beaches, tons of people because it's Easter weekend. So you get the best of both worlds, population and privacy.
Small boat, big adventure. Join us as we take to the water and set out for the beach.
Under the moon sings the radio.
I just love the sound of the rocks.
Don't know what we want, but we know we want this.
Fresh air, stunning views, and trails beneath our feet. From hiking to diving, let's plunge into our new adventure.
So since every moment around here is a potential fail, we're gonna let Deuce try the chair. Now, is it untied?
No.
Probably want to untie it, my love. Nope, not from there. From the rail.
See, I get some assistance, but she won't tell me how it works.
You sit in it. There's no secret. Just hold on to the rope. There you go. Bring it to you. Yes, sit in it. Get your little booty in there. And once you kind of have your booty in, there you go. Now you can kind of push yourself off.
No.
Do you want me to hold on to the rope for you?
Like this?
Yeah. Well, he thought about how to get in, but not how to get out.
Not how to get out.
Not how to get out. So, be funny, Cookie Monster in the water.
After our amazing stay in Playa Carrizal, we traveled all the way up to Cuastecomate, full of pretty views, amazing waters, and even prettier beaches.
So we've decided it really doesn't matter where we are. But, what did we just do?
We just pulled in the dinghy, got a nice little water, walked the beach, and now we're eating.
Yeah, what are you going to have to eat?
We are both having quesadillas.
What kinds?
Chicken.
No.
Oh, pollo.
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 Yeah, that's how you say it. And let's see, it's the day before Easter. So there are celebrations going on. It's very crowded. Yeah?
See?
Yeah, see. He's using his Spanish.
After arriving in Cuastecomate, we decided to take the day to relax, fly the drone, and get beautiful photos of the terrain. After enjoying the beautiful views, beaches, and water, we decided to head to Navidad Resort.
Ta-da! We did our beach walk from Bahia Navidad to Motoryacht. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's okay.
Malaki.
I don't know.
Malaki.
No, it's not malarkey.
Malaki.
Malarkey. Anyways, so we're here, and approximately 2.1 miles we walked on the beach in the middle of the day, and now we're going to rest in the shade with a breeze. And
With a
hopefully
margarita. Yes. What are we about to do?
Ah! Tennis shoes.
What are we doing, Mom?
We're gonna play tennis, and we have established the rules just so there's only fair play. So, let's stick to the rules, Deuce.
So, Mom, what happened?
It was a really good game, and we're gonna play again in the morning if we can.
So this is the end of the video, but I wanted to say thank you, Mom. I love you so much. I loved our adventures, from hiking in the wilderness to even scuba diving underwater. It was the best time I've ever had. From all our adventures and your funny interviews and letting the viewers know what was going on, from walking onto the beach to your
Tennis
funny jokes.
Shoes.
What are we doing?
Playing tennis was a blast, and I enjoyed every photo that was ever taken this trip. Love you so much, and I wanted to say thank you and love you. Jim, I would also like to say thank you to you, from showing us a good time at food to taking us fishing. I enjoyed every minute and every walk. Thank you so much, and can't wait to be on another trip.